People always ask me, what's your secret for healthy hair? And I get it. We live in a world that loves quick fixes. But here's the truth. Healthy hair isn't a miracle. It's not magic. It's a series of tiny, almost invisible choices you make every single day. And if you follow those, your hair will thank you in ways you never imagined. Part 1. The myth. I used to believe the myth that healthy hair had to look perfect. No frizz, perfect shine, always smooth. I thought if it didn't look like an ad, I was doing something wrong. But real hair doesn't live in commercials. It lives in everyday moments. Messy buns, windy days, late nights, and early mornings. That's where the real story happens. Part 2. What we do without thinking. The truth is, we damage our hair in ways we don't even notice. Heat styling on high every morning, skipping trims for months, forgetting to drink enough water, using whatever shampoo's in the shower without even reading the label. And we wonder why our hair feels tired, flat, lifeless. Your hair is alive. Well, the root is. And it responds to how you treat it. Just like skin, it remembers. Part 3. The wake-up call. For me, it started with breakage. I'd see little white dots at the ends of my hair, the shine fading, and my brush collecting more strands than it should. At first, I thought, maybe it's just stress. But deep down, I knew I wasn't caring for my hair. I was just styling it into submission. There's a difference. Part 4. Small changes, big difference. So I made a promise to my hair. No more shortcuts. I started heat styling less. I detangled from the ends upward, gently. I gave my hair a drink of moisture every week with a mask. I used oils, but only a drop, to keep it light. And I fed it from the inside. Protein, good fats, water. Because healthy hair starts long before you see it in the mirror. Part 5. What healthy hair feels like. Healthy hair isn't about perfection. It's about resilience. It stretches without snapping. It shines because the cuticle is smooth, not because you drowned it in serum. It feels soft in your hands, but it also feels like you. It moves with your life, the good days and the messy ones. Closing. Your hair is listening. If you want healthy hair, stop chasing the look and start building the lifestyle. Be gentle, be patient, and trust the process. Hair grows slow, but it grows strong when you care for it. And just so you know, your hair, it's been listening to everything you've done. Starting today, give it a story worth remembering. Oh, and go drink some water right now. Your hair's watching.